our Pearl Talk Show. I'm Burma Orabia, and our guest for today is Miss Gretchen Alinas, Princess Francisco, Mr. Lordwin Leonardo, and Miss Cheryl Bailon. Our topic for today is about Perl programming language.
Perl practice the extension report language. It is a dynamic programming language created by Larry Wall. First released on 1987, Perl borrows features from a variety of other languages including C, shell scripting, AWK, C, and Lisp. Perl was widely adopted because it provides powerful text processing facilities without heartbeat data limit links, as represent the many unique tools at the time. A Camel Book Programmers.
The Camel Symbols. Programming Perl published by Aurelie Media features a picture of a camel on the cover, and it is commonly referred to as the camel. This image of a camel has become a general symbol of Perl.
Perl 2, released in 1988, featured as a better regular expression engine. Perl 3, released in 1989, added support for a binary data stream. Perl 4 went through a series of maintenance release culminating in Perl 4.036 in 1993. At the point, Wall abandoned Perl 4 to begin work on Perl 5. Perl 5 was released on October 17, 1994. It was a nearly complete rewrite of the interpreter and added many new features to the language, including objects, reference, lexical variables, and modules.
Go. Application of Perl. Perl has been used since the early days of the web to write CPI, Common Gateway Interface scripts. It is known as one of the TPS, along the Python and PHP, the most popular dynamic languages for writing web applications. It is also an integral component of the popular LAMP solution stack of web development. Large projects written in Perl include Slash, Mozilla, Wiki, and Movable Type. Many high-traffic websites such as bbc.co.uk, amazon.com, livejournal.com, ticketmaster.com, and imdb.com used for extensively. Perl is often as a glue language, typing together systems and interfaces that were not especially designed to interoperate, and for data managing, converting, or processing large amounts of data for tasks like creating reports. This is the picture of Perl. Perl also takes features from shell programming. All variables are marked with leading figures, which analogously identify the data type, the scalar, array, hash, and etc. the variable example. Importantly, figures are the variables interpolated directly into strings. Perl has many built-in functions which provide tools often used in shell programming, though many of these tools are implemented by programs external to the shell, like sorting and calling in system facilities.
Viewers, thank you for watching, and goodbye.
Wala na.